Hello, this is a video guide on how you can use the facility management module on Educare. First, you go to the dashboard, you click on facility management, you go to configuration. Under the configuration submodule, it allows you to set up different levels and departments. Under the approval level, this is where you set up who should be able to approve a particular requisition amount that has been set up under request maintenance. So this is where you give access to who should be able to approve that particular amount once a requisition is raised under the approval level. All you need to do is you click on the edit button, then you select the name of the manager that should be able to make approval and you update. Then you can see department. You can create the different departments you have in the facility management. All you need to do is you click on new department, you create a department, mechanical, and you save. And you can also add the officers that should handle a particular um, department. All you need to click on this officers count and it allows you to select the officer's name and you save. Having done that, you can also set up different facility managers. All you need to do on the facility managers is click update list. Once you click on the update list, you select other names you want to add to the list and you save. So this is how to update the facility managers list. Requisition manager, who and who do you want them to have access to the requisition that is being raised under facility management, and who should be able to make approval? What you need to do is you click on the update list, select the name of the officer or the staff that should handle requisition. Same thing goes to the storekeepers. You go to update list, select the name of the staff that handles the storekeeping under the facility management model. We also have the facility report setup. This allows you to view the different facility report setup we have on the portal. Once you're done with the configuration, the next step you go to is the facility list. You click on the facility list. This is where you create your facilities on the system. So we'll have the facility type. You can create different facility types. You have the facilities, is it building, is it vehicle, utility, is it gates, is it hall, is it lab? So if you have the kind of facility type you're creating, you click on new facility type name, you enter the name of the facility, let's say machines. You also have the facility location. Where is this facility you're creating located at? Is it in the office area, the recreation area, the hostel area? Is it in the, let's say, classroom area, class area? You can also create facility department, just the same way you can do that from the configuration part of the system. You can also create the facility department. You click on new facility department and you create other facility department you have from here. So now this is how to create a facility on the system. You click on facility list, you click on add facility, the name of the facility you're creating. So if I'm creating, let's say I'm creating the annex annex. So this annex, what kind of facility type is it? Is it a building? Is it a vehicle? Is it a utility? Is it a machine? Is it a lab? Let's say it's a building. I can give a description of the annex. So I call the description halls, hall, and office section. Then quantity. So the quantity you're entering allows you to set up the different halls and offices you have in that particular facility you're creating. So let's say I'm going to have quantity 3. Status, this is active. Can you see configurations, configure space? So now I've entered quantity 3. So space 1, I'll just remove room 1. It called it room 1. So I have HPS hall or HPS auditorium. HPS auditorium. So the space content, this allows you to create the assets you have in that particular space you're creating. So now the asset I have in this particular auditorium is um, smart board, smart board. So I have two smart, let's say quantity of the smart board 2. I'll add, I have chairs, the number of chairs I have, let's say 10. I'll add AC, number of AC in that particular auditorium 3. Then in the other room space I have inside this particular annex, I still have offices. So let's say ED office. In the ED office, what and what is there? I have AC 1. I also have table 1, chairs 4. So this other one, I can say toilet. So there's a toilet 1. And once you're done, you save. Let's say, okay, another facility called annex areas, annex hall. So I'm renaming the facility so I can be able to save. So I've been able to save this particular annex building, annex hall I created. So you can see if you click on details, it allows you to view what you've created. You can see the rooms slash spaces. If you open it up, you can see the different offices in that particular details you've created. So you can see the auditorium. I have the items in it, that's the assets in the auditorium, the ED office, the assets in it, the toilets, and that's it. So this is actually how to create your your facility on the system. So when there is an issue on any of this particular facility, you can go to the facility complaint to raise a complaint. I'll click on new complaint, and my new complaint is faulty smart board. So where is this particular faulty smart board? Is in annex hall. I'll select a description. I can then give a description. The Wildly board is not working, or the smart board is not working as expected. So you click on save. Once you've saved this complaint, then you can then assign a facility manager to go and inspect this particular complaint that was raised, right? So now I can click on details to assign a particular facility manager to go and inspect this. So you can see assign maintenance officer. Once you've assigned who should be able to handle this, the person goes to that particular facility, check the complaint that was raised, and enter their report under inspect. So you can now key in your report, the smart board needs to be worked on. So this is report from the inspection that was done. So once this is entered, if you go to facility inspection, you should be able to find the reports that were entered based on the inspection that was carried out. So you can see the facility, annex hall, this is the complaint, and this is the report. So this needs to be worked on. Then the next place we'll go to is the facility maintenance. On the facility maintenance, once they've gone for inspection and confirm that truly this is not working, then we'll go to facility maintenance. You click on request maintenance. Under request maintenance, we select the facility. This is for annex hall. What is the complaint? Faulty smart board. Then comment the board need a technical work. The board needs a technical work. This is my comment as the um, maintenance officer. So now maintenance type, is it repair, is it replacement, is it refill? So this is repair. So the maintenance cost, what will it take for us to fix this board? So you enter the maintenance cost, which is, let's say, 15,000. If you have a picture of the board, if you have a picture of the board, you can upload, then you save. So now that a request has been made, you can now raise a requisition for it. Smart board fixing. The cost 15,000. Add. So you can see a requisition has been raised. So once a requisition is raised, the facility manager that have access to approve this requisition can then go to facility requisition, and so once the requisition has been raised, you go to details to either approve or reject this particular request that was made. So this is the request. You can see the approve, reject, or cancel. So by default, once you raise a requisition or a maintenance request, it's pending up until it's approved or rejected. So you can approve it. So the maintenance cost is 15,000. You update. This means this request has been approved. If we go back now, you can see approved. Now, if you go to the facility requisition, you can see the maintenance request that was made and has been approved of 15,000. You click on details. Once you click on details, you click disburse to issue out the money to who needs to fix this particular complaint that was raised. So you click on disburse to ensure that okay, disbursement record has been saved. successfully. So that means this 50,000 has been issued out to who needs to get it for to fix the complaint that was raised in that particular facility. So now you can get your facility report. You go to facility report. Under the facility report, it allows you to see a detailed report on the complaint that was raised, which of them is pending, which of them have been attended to, which of them has been sent out. You can see the department reports. You can see the different departments a particular issue was raised on. Pending complaint. You can see a request that is still not approved yet and is still pending. Facility reports. So you can see the one that was done now on the annex hall. So you can see the one complaint, one resolution, the amounts that was approved and disbursed. You can see your expense report too on this. You can download in an Excel format. So this is how you can pull report on this particular um, facility reports that was raised, following from the complaint down to inspection, down to maintenance and disbursement of the amount budgeted for it. And we also have the audit trail. The audit trail allows you to capture activities that was carried out on the facility management model. Who did a particular thing? You can see who raised a complaint, who created a particular facility model, who created a complaint, who approved it, who went for inspection, who created a maintenance request. So the audit trail allows you to see all these particular activities at a glance. Thank you. I hope this video is helpful.